Other matters in there we will go touchlight one by follow. But I just go like let on and know say we get person who go join us on Zoom to use covershate this matter. In name na Dr. Maxwell Ngene, in the public affairs analyst, and we also get another person who sit down with us inside the studio. Plus me, him, and my gentleman of the press, all of us go follow covershate this matter. We consign Anambra State election. Dr. Maxwell, you hear us where you dey? Dr. Maxwell, good morning. You dey hear us? Okay,
it be like say Oga Maxwell go join us online when he don't connect. But Oga Opeyemi Joseph dey here with us as they talk. Oga, welcome.
Good morning. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Okay, so one look at the Anambra State election. According to news ABC reach us for inside this election, one supervisory presiding officer for inside Idemili South local government area contact say some people don't carry 41 result sheets for the Anambra governorship election. Jakpa. Where did Jakpa go? We don't know. The returning officer will be Dr. Gabriel Contoc say this one when he presents results. He talk when he present results of the Independent National Electoral Commission office for inside Oka on Sunday. He Contoc say the whereabouts of the INEC official and the result sheet till now we don't know where they did. We see they find them. He Contoc say 41 out of the 42 result sheets them for 89 polling units then don't carry them Jakpa. Over 40,000 voters then no fit to vote for the affected areas due to these developments. To follow Chukmat for inside this matter, of course, we don't tell us we get Dr. Ngene to help us follow Maxwell Ngene a day. You will join us for Zoom to put some out. And any day here, Tanda Gileba for inside studio with us, look for put out. I don't know whether Dr. Ngene don't join us on Zoom, but if he never join us, we know say he go on. You know, I'm sure say be the monitor the election bumper to bumper because everybody been interested to know how far this election and all that. How you see the results then will happen. No, I don't mean election result now. The result of activities will happen during the election.
Thank you so much. First of all, let's start from the deployment of security agency to Anambra. On Friday evening, we hear say the DIG don't resign. Want to say pressures there from political parties. They mount pressure on top and say making dance to their tune. And if he say if he goes tint towards one side, say if he compromise in integrity, we don't build over the years. And the same guy again, now from Anambra State. So Saturday morning again, we can't see report again. Come say police they protest over the allowance. They are feeding allowance also. So I did worried at that moment. Say make this election go the way it's supposed to go. But we must commend the Anambra electorate. We will come out against all odds because many people. 3 weeks ago, we don't even expect say this election will happen. They say no government, IPOB, the issue to it. But their press release, we thought say they no go scatter the election. I give some hope. I think say that waiting those few residents of Anambra here say okay, make we even try. At least if we hear Papa, we go run back. But at least there's some more courage. We need to applaud them because it's a risky thing they take, but to exercise their civic duty. They don't show an example, say, okay, fine. Say they no go, nothing will stop them from exercising their civic duty. But coming down to the main people, the electoral umpire, they promise heaven and earth, say, okay, all is well, no issue. But what do we see from morning on that day, we say logistics challenges, moving of election materials from their office to the designated polling unit. Most of them arrive late, and with the year say money where they even give them for feeding 1.5. You know every day. So at that morning too, I did worry. Come. Say some people don't want sabotage this election. But as it go, people come out for some areas, and again, Oga Beavers to come show himself again. He come the malfunction for some areas. Some areas where Beavers, the biometric accreditation device. It messed up for some area, but some of the technical officers where they deploy who address the issue were able to even fix some areas, upload software to some where get issue. Others where they know feel handle very well. We hear say they feel voters they feel incidents form. Now the issue where they now because some of the the other political parties, they don't raise questions, say, come on. Say, numbers of accredited voters they different from
the
actual
numbers
pay.
of,
So
yeah.
the issues go there
So
because
some kind-
legal battle go there.
They
after
look like
this.
say Magma go there inside.
Yeah.
Okay, so considering all of these things will happen, especially on the side of INEC, if you say it can be like saying in the case of waiting we order versus waiting we get, in the sense say before the election, INEC don't say we dey ready, everything don't set, everything not ready. I mean, say INEC suppose don't touchlight all their technical matter them. Make sure say they cover all the loopholes before the election starts. You see this one will happen as something will be saying a normal challenge. I mean, no, INEC be supposed make sure say they put themselves
They
together
settle
pass the way
this
they do.
Yeah, thank you very much. What you have to say, this Beavers divide, they test run now for Isoko rerun. So, and that's just limited number of polling units. And according to INEC, they say they get success rate of 97.4. So now that bragging right again, say, okay, Anambra, no itches go happen, but you know technology sometimes, if it fail you, and some areas where the polling agent find it difficult even to upload result due to the downtime of transmission where telecom no dey alright
No
that
dey
day.
alright, yeah.
Yeah, and also again another issue say where I see they say some of these staff they already recruit them. Most of them no go through thorough training before this election, so they find it difficult to even operate that biogas. No, not be all of them get issue, but some now on the part of the operators we no sabi am. And also why? Because the people where INEC recruit before now resign or to say pressures dey from their family members say no go Anambra go this thing. So the few days where INEC get to recruit people, they no train them very well. I think going forward INEC will learn more lesson, go reflect on this election and take useful lesson going forward as we prepare for Osun and Ekiti Guba next year.
Now, looking at this issue where they raise about how people been carry some ballot papers being come out and all those kind of things, you feel say at this point for the Nigerian electoral system, we not suppose they face things like this again. As they don't prepare, say security agencies go there everywhere, they go monitor the movement. This kind of thing they happen again. What do you feel say this one fit do to go take effect this the next coming elections as you take talk am so? How you take see that matter of carrying ballot papers and disappearing?
Yeah, it still boils down to attitude of the stakeholders, the political leader, where they send these boys go, they do this one. This winner takes it all. We always see election like do or die. But for no reason why people don't vote finish, you go they carry vote. As it may be now, they go scrap the cancel those elections for that. Maybe one opponent party straw for one area, another one send out
go move this
Dabaru
thing.
everything.
Yes.
So now the issue will be that. So this do or die attitude where they see election, because they worrisome and we suppose they condemn this kind of criminal activities. And the issue now be say, well, electoral offender. How many people wait and don't go jail or to say they still
do this kind of
so,
thing?
so now the issue now because we don't Clamor don't say make we even set up electoral commission where go they try electoral offenders. But today, no, we never make any appreciable progress onto that. Also. So we are not really serious to even address the issue of electoral offenders because these people. Security agencies supposed to even feel track them. I will supposed to use them do example. Say okay, it's not go be like business as usual as we approach 2023 election.
Because if looking at the conversation where they talk, say they get security personnel, I believe like say they deploy like close to over 35,000.
In fact, talking about that
personnel,
one, talking about that one, you did video where BC been filtered in during the weekend of particular some political party sharing money to voters there, and inside that video we see. Security agencies, they deal with them when they share the money. I don't know whether any of us see those.
I see the video very well.
Police security agencies, they deal with them and they share those money and all of that. Now, what's in the role of those security agencies supposed to be in that kind of situation? Just like you talk, arrest not supposed to take place.
Yeah.
You understand? And then they're not supposed to use somebody, give example, to serve as deterrent so that another person no go try and next time. Because when you don't make a situation where they like say vote buying a normal thing, that means it could be like saying a business as usual with us. So you not see I'm like say that kind of thing, no be waiting to be supposed to put hand inside or waiting to be say security agency supposed to take decisive action immediately to control them.
Yeah. When I see that video, the issue be say if security go take action for that kind of area, if he ignite emotion and law and order,
he just spoil.
But now the responsibility of the electorate, they bring money to you. So if you don't talk say you don't want, pursue person, you know go catch the person, waka come up. But if you give the person attention, they negotiate.
So you feel say the electorate they put hand inside this situation where you take to say you feel they blame the electorate also.
Yeah.
Say they bring money, can't give you collect. So
Yeah.
now your problem.
Yeah, fine, but you know, say the poverty level of this country, they worrisome. Some go reject, some go accept them. But the issue be say now, say make we they condemn these actions. You know, we know speak well of us, but we know they practice democracy for the past 21, 22 years now. So what's done they mature? If electorate is supposed to come vote for people who go serve in interest. No be say make person come buy your conscience. Because this money where they collect now, when these people gain power, they won't recoup the money back.
They need to collect them back.
From people where they borrow the money come, they will give them contracts. So and it go even affect your well-being. So make electorate they think this thing through. Because this money no even dey substantial.
How much
you want to use? 5K, with the 6K.
So you they try make excuse now, say it okay for security agents to date there, they watch some political parties, they give out money, offer money, cash to voters.
No, I'm not.
And may they not do anything about them at all.
Yeah,
Are you saying that it dey normal and say security agencies not supposed, stop that situation and then they made that thing they happen?
If I know the old brood for security agent, but the issue with me and the listen, you say the security situation for Anambra dey very, very fragile. So any little thing fee trigger. So I like the way they take do am now because we no record any deaths. So I must applaud the security agents at least for maintaining balance as far as I'm concerned. Fine, if you look away, but the electorate, it is the responsibility of the electorate to reject this thing. Okay,
which they do for
which they did, yeah. We hear some women, old women, they speak Igbo say, they vote this guy party, don't come tell us yama here.
It good say at least you don't point out this thing because a lot of people go blame the security agencies for them being there and letting this thing happen. But the angle where you can carry and come from, say you where did they give the money to? What you do? You know, look the matter first before you agree to collect this money. So now moving forward, now you've been looking at how the whole election been play out. Now where some political parties don't raise eyebrows, say now lie you rigging deal. It be like say we go court. You know, say a normal thing for Nigeria.
Yeah, sure.
After election, we they go court. It be like say this person not do well. It be like say that person not do well. How you take see this level now? You feel say now still the same thing go replay, or as INEC go talk say on Tuesday now we'll get the final say. Make we know as the thing take be. How you take see these reactions from all these other political parties?
Yeah, most of them now, you say lawyer, we don't they call them say, wow, strong, you get strong case, say, make we go court. And so lawyer won't chop. Fine. There are some issues of accredited voters, the returning vote. So issues there for this election and LMD, whole electoral process. Yeah, the court will decide these issues because the way they go, it go reach Supreme Court because some issues go there where with a year of like this local government where the returning officer they tell us yesterday, coalition officer they tell us yesterday say he signed under duress.
Talk that one.
Yet INEC announce the result. Question D on top that one. Who which party?
Who they pressure you?
Who pressure you? So exactly. He don't tell us also. So the man, he no even help us. He just tell us one side. Say inside the election under duress. Even junior colleagues, they tap on yesterday. Say he no sabi this job. So court go unravel this thing.
True.
They go provide evidence. We go see the merit. Court go examine the merit of this evidence presented. So court go take action as far as concerned. So I don't want the presume. I want the
so considering say this election and they can't declare them inconclusive because of course with the situation of the Ihiala local government and all of that. You see and come and say the election they could declare them inconclusive. Abi they for just go ahead settle with the result where say they don't get so far. Considering say we get person we say don't they lead considerably.
Clearly,
waiting the returning officer Florence tell us last night very early this morning. Thought say okay, Ihiala say election no hold at all because people they fear say if you come out and electoral officers should not even show there. Why? Because Ihiala share boundary with Imo State. So considering event we done the happen for Imo State for the past few weeks, so people they scared say say no go hit me like this. So make I stay out. So now if Ihiala election conclude tomorrow now, INEC has the right to declare the winner because we don't know say someone don't they almost.
They
We
don't
almost
dey
dey-
lead, as you
yeah,
can see.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
INEC go declare officially tomorrow. You are duty bound to do that tomorrow evening. All things be equal.
Okay. E good say at least we don't touch this matter. For those of us wey no know as the elections be for Anambra State, and one of the conversations we with same we will discuss today be that. And unfortunately, our guest wey dey Zoom no fit join us via Zoom this morning, but e good. Oga Opeyemi don dey here to break things down as the matter take be. At least when I don't hear as the thing be for that side. Some kind things we dey wait for Tuesday, maybe tomorrow, to get the final say. Now I get the final say.
But tomorrow, when we see how
Yeah.
he play out for inside here in the local government, now we go know as it go be tomorrow. Well, I hear you say we go back break on top this talk segment this morning. Unfortunately, as they will talk, our other person supposed to join us on Zoom, no fit join us. But I sure say maybe by Wednesday morning, if he join us, we could fit
get final
break down on
conversation,
waiting go happen at the end of the day for the election. Okay, thank you as if you for inside the house to talk this matter.